Welcome back to CarLook. Today we're looking at a legend reborn, the 2025 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. After years of rumors and speculation, Pontiac's iconic muscle car is making a comeback, and it's better than ever. With modern technology, aggressive styling, and an insane powertrain, this Firebird is ready to take on the best of the muscle car world. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. The 2025 Firebird Trans Am is a stunning fusion of classic muscle car heritage and modern-day performance design. It takes inspiration from the legendary 1977 Firebird with its unmistakable long hood, short deck, and aggressive stance, but it's been completely reimagined for the modern era. Right up front, the car demands attention with its LED split grille design, flanked by futuristic headlights, giving it an aggressive, almost predatory look. The iconic screaming chicken hood decal makes a return, paying tribute to the muscle car legacy that made the Firebird famous. The wide-body design gives it a planted, muscular stance, with large, functional air vents, a low front splitter, and sculpted lines that scream speed even when standing still. The 20-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in performance Michelin Pilot Sport tires ensure maximum grip, whether you're launching off the line or carving through corners. Around the back, the LED taillight bar stretches across the rear, modernizing the classic Firebird look. A large rear spoiler adds both style and aerodynamic downforce, while the quad exit exhaust system hints at the sheer power under the hood. Step inside, and the 2025 Firebird Trans Am welcomes you to a driver-focused cockpit that blends vintage muscle car charm with high-tech innovation. The flat-bottom steering wheel, wrapped in Alcantara and carbon fiber, feels perfect in your hands, featuring a glowing Trans Am logo at the center. The massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the 14-inch infotainment touchscreen houses Dodge's latest Uconnect 5 system, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in performance telemetry. The seats are hand-stitched leather bucket seats with gold and black accents, featuring embroidered Trans Am logos on the headrests. Carbon fiber trim, red ambient lighting, and brushed aluminum details make the cabin feel both premium and performance-ready. The 16-speaker Harman Kardon sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, whether you're enjoying music or the roar of the engine. For those who love nostalgia, there's even an optional retro-styled analog gauge pack reminiscent of classic Firebird dashboards. Now, let's talk about the real beast hiding under the hood. The 2025 Firebird Trans Am is powered by a 6.2-liter supercharged V8, pushing out a monstrous 800 horsepower and 720 pound-feet of torque. This engine is an evolution of GM's legendary LT4 platform, enhanced with a larger supercharger, high-flow intake, and performance-tuned exhaust system. Whether you choose the 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters or the 6-speed manual transmission, this Firebird is built to thrill. With launch control and performance-tuned traction management, the Firebird Trans Am rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, making it one of the fastest muscle cars on the market. The quarter mile? 10.8 seconds. And with a top speed of over 200 miles per hour, this isn't just a muscle car, it's a high-performance machine built to take on the best from Dodge, Ford, and even European sports cars. Handling has been fine-tuned with a magnetic ride control suspension, allowing for a smooth ride in daily driving but razor-sharp precision on the track. The Brembo high-performance brakes provide exceptional stopping power, while the adaptive drive modes, including Street, Sport, Track, and Drag mode, let you customize the Firebird's behavior depending on your driving style. Whether you're looking for a comfortable cruise or an all-out track monster, this car can do it all. Pontiac didn't just focus on power, they also packed the 2025 Firebird Trans Am with the latest safety and driver assist technology. It comes standard with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera system, and rear cross-traffic alert. And for those who love pushing their cars to the limit, track telemetry and real-time performance monitoring help you extract every bit of speed and precision from this beast. Now let's talk about pricing. The base model Firebird Trans Am starts at around $75,000, while the fully loaded Firebird Trans Am Super Duty Edition, with all the performance upgrades, will set you back $110,000 or more. Yes, it's an investment, but for what you're getting, 800 horsepower, iconic styling, and cutting-edge technology, it's well worth it. If you love high-performance machines like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to CarLook, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews.